As our lab services grew, we asked our clients what they needed and wanted in a CRO. We took that feedback and created bioanalytical solutions at Alta Sciences. Our bioanalytical laboratories mirror each other in physical setup and processes, providing flexibility to our clients on where they want to place the work. We then built our operations on 3 core pillars: listening, creating, and communicating. These pillars are the foundation of our lab's operations and values and the way we ensure a client-centric approach with a scientific focus.
Because we listen so carefully to client, because we do market analysis, because we know what's at the forefront of bioanalysis, we're able to proactively see the future and innovate in that sense. And we're flexible enough to move at the speed of our client needs, unlike some of the other very large CROs.
How do we identify problems before the client even knows them? I think a lot of that comes from our experience. Working for a CRO, you work on a lot of projects. You see a lot of different assay issues, developmental issues, and that's that experience that when we're working on with a new client, that little light bulb goes off. I go, I've seen this before, and I know how we've handled it before, and I can advise the client ahead of time.
They've acknowledged us in publications. They value our scientists. I would say that my scientific directors in mass spectrometry, they're all considered subject matter experts, key opinion leaders in their areas of expertise, and the scientists that work with them. We have the talent, we have the strategic vision, but we also have our upper management support, and this gives you the agency and the confidence to move forward because you know you're going to be supported. And by being a mid-sized CRO, I think that the levels are less, and being able to get your message out there of where the science is going and where we need to innovate and where we need investment and support, it's facilitated. Our strategy is to be at the cutting edge of science and bioanalysis and to support all the new modalities that are being developed as therapeutics.
When we come up with some solutions that they haven't thought about, they feel quite happy and satisfied that we're taking care of their baby. We've got their back. Communicating our data is extremely important in terms of, not just here's the data or here are the challenges, but elaborating and really digging deeper in terms of these are some issues that we have been facing when it comes to ensuring that, you're addressing all the needs for your projects. You really need to be 3 steps ahead of the game, ensuring that what is the so what comes after, and what is the implication of some of the decisions that you're taking on the study itself.
At Alta Sciences, what happens is we really want to foster that scientist-to-scientist communication because that's where you really get that best interchange with our sponsors. You have the scientific leaders of both sites being able to talk and discuss the projects, and they understand each other. All this research, all these people that are coming forward and putting their minds to solve problems that will make big differences in people's lives. It's so motivating. It just makes you feel proud. It's hard not to be excited about the future in our industry.